What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to go over the 9 best affiliate programs for beginners in 2020. I'm going to walk you through step by step which websites you can promote in any niche, make money online, the health niche, the spiritual niche. There's so many niches out there, and there's programs for every single niche. So I'm going to walk you through every single program, every single network that you can start promoting right away. Guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But if you guys have any questions on how to make money online, how to start an online business, creating sales funnels, getting traffic, that's what my channel answers, guys. And my goal in this channel is to help you leave the 9-to-5 and create a passive income business. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. I'm making videos almost every single day. So let's go ahead and get started. The first website we're going to be talking about is Clickbank. This is one of the most popular websites when it comes to affiliate marketing. Clickbank is the easiest to get started. There's so many software, there's so many programs that you can go and start promoting. Now, if we go to clickbank.com, really easy to get started. All you gotta do is sign up here. You enter your information, and then you can start promoting. So once you enter your information, you just go to clickbank.com/the marketplace. You can see the marketplace here, and then you're gonna be able to see all the programs, all the courses that you can start promoting. Now, with Clickbank, you're not really dealing with software as much. With Clickbank, you're dealing more with like courses and products, digital products, not really software. Okay, so for example, if you're in, let's just say, the cooking niche, right? Let's just say you have a TikTok or a YouTube, and you're talking about cooking, right? And you want to promote a product. You can go to clickbank.com, and you can go to cooking right here, and you can see all the products that they have for cooking. Okay, so for example, you can see keto sweets, you can see keto breads and keto desserts, fat burning kitchen. So there's all kinds of products in here. Okay, now what I recommend is finding a product that has a decent average sale. For me, I like at least $50 and above. That's going to be all up to you. Okay, but the main thing I look for here is a good average sale and then a high gravity score. Okay, a high gravity score on Clickbank is something 50 and above, 30 and above if you're, if you really want that product. But if you really want to be for sure, you want a 50 and above. Okay, all that means is a lot of affiliates have gotten sales with this particular product. Okay, another thing I want you guys to kind of realize with this is the affiliate page. Okay, so a lot of these products will have an affiliate page. Now, if you go through the affiliate page, you want something that's going to give you a ton of resources. Okay, blogs, podcasts, a ton of resources to help you promote the product. Okay, a good affiliate product will give you a really good resource page. Okay, I'm not going to go through all of these here, but Clickbank's a great program to start promoting, a great network. You can start there because like I said, there's a ton of products, thousands, hundreds of thousands of products that you can start promoting right away. Okay, so that's the first one, guys. The next one is Jvzoo. Okay, I really like Jvzoo if you're trying to promote like software. Okay, so I actually just promoted a software called My Traffic Jacker, and they have a lot of cool software on here. Now, they don't have a lot of courses. This is more like software to help you do certain things, right? So you can see, so if you this is a big quick tip for you guys. If you go to jvzoo.com and then you go to products and then top sellers, this is going to give you the top sellers for that week, for that day. And I always start there. I always recommend you start with this. Okay, so if you have like a big list, email list, if you have a YouTube channel, you can start promoting these products right away because these products are already selling. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to go through a few of these here. Let's go to top sellers past 7 days. So VR agency, I'm just going to click that. Let's just see what that's about. My Traffic Jacker Pro. This is actually a product I was promoting, which allows you to steal traffic. Not really steal, but it allows you to take traffic from a like a dead link. Okay, so I was promoting this. So a lot of cool software that you can start promoting on here. This is just one of them here that I promote. But if you go back to like VR agency, you can see what the product's about. You can see create full 360 virtual tours in minutes. So like I said, this is software that allows people to do certain things, right? So Jvzoo is really cool if you're into like software, okay? Clickbank is more like courses and digital products, stuff like that, okay? So that's the second one. The next one, guys, is ShareASale, okay? Now with ShareASale, this is more of a, they work with a lot of networks like Home Brands, Home Depot, stuff like that. They do have some digital networks as well, but there's a ton of like physical products that you can start promoting with ShareASale, okay? I've used ShareASale to promote certain things here. As you can see, MLBshop.com, Julian Michael. So it depends. Like I said, it really depends what your niche is, right? If you're in the beauty niche, this might be a great place to start, right? So you can go to like fashion merchants, and you can see all the merchants that are available, right? T Public, Trank Club, Jane, all kinds of stuff here, okay? This is a great place to get started if you're not really into the digital products type thing, okay? They do have digital products, but this is more like physical type products, like brick and mortar type stores, okay? I've actually used ShareASale. It was actually a digital product I used ShareASale for. Great program. You just got to apply to be an affiliate, and then from there you can start promoting the products, whatever merchant you want. Okay, there's a ton of merchants on here. You can, business merchants, home and garden, ton of things you can start promoting. You can see here, fanatics.com if you're like in the sports niche or anything like that. Sears has one. There's so many niches inside of here. Tons and tons of things you can promote. Okay. So that's the second one. Third one is ShareASale. Let me go to the next one. This is actually one of my favorite programs to promote. This is Clickfunnels. If you don't know what Clickfunnels is, it's basically a software that allows people to build landing pages, websites, really easy, like drag and drop type video. Drag and drop type website type software, okay? This actually is, obviously if you're in the niche of helping businesses get leads, get sales, then you would want to promote Clickfunnels, okay? Now with Clickfunnels, the way I promote it is I teach people how to use the software, right? I have a free course on how to use Clickfunnels. I have resources on how you can use the software to get more leads and sales, okay? And as you can tell, I actually just hit over $10,000 in earnings with this software. Now, this is not my main promotion myself. This is just something that I promote on the side to help businesses get more leads and more sales, okay? Now, the reason I like Clickfunnels is because, well, first of all, I promote the actual software, okay? So the software itself is $100 a month, but I get a 40% commission, okay? And as you can tell, my monthly recurring revenue is a little over $1,000, which is really nice, right? So if I can get this up to, 100 people, first of all, I get a free car. Second of all, that would be, over $4,000 in free money every single month, right? Every single month, as long as I get people to stick, right? And the way you get people to stick is to teach them how to use the software and how they can start making money with it, okay? Now, one more thing about Clickfunnels is they do have multiple offers within the affiliate network, okay? So the main thing is obviously you can promote the software, but there's also a ton of different courses. They have books, they have different challenges that you can start promoting, okay? So not only you can only sell the software, you can sell all the books they have, all the courses. There's so many things that they have to offer. So like, for example, right here, Secret Masterclass, if you go to this here, it'll give you some information about what the masterclass is about, and then you can take a look at the sales page here. They give you a ton of resources, some pictures, and like I really love Clickfunnels because they give you a lot of resources for you to start selling the software. Okay, so really cool affiliate network. This is one of my favorites to promote. Okay, the next one, guys, is it's actually for the health and fitness niche. This is when I was really into this. I still promote health and fitness, but not as much as I used to because obviously I promote make money online time stuff now. Make money online. So it's a website called MarketHealth.com, and there's a ton of like health products, weight loss products, stuff like that, okay? So this is going to be, you can find stuff like this on Clickbank, but these are going to be more private products that you can start promoting that maybe not, they're not as competitive like as Clickbank. So if you go to markethealth.com/affiliate, you can actually see all the ways to get paid. So you can get paid with mail, Bankwire, Skrill. They even have PayPal and Payoneer. So really cool. A ton of different ways to get paid here. And if you go to the offers here, There's a ton of offers. So you can see here, teeth whitening, there's probiotics, there's cellulite. So many things you can promote in here. And it tells you like how much you can get paid, the revenue, all that stuff. Let's just pick a random product here. Let's do Ultra White. This is a teeth whitening type thing. So, you know, if you're in the teeth whitening niche, there's a ton of different offers that they have here. So $45 per, per sale here. You can click here to join free today. It gives you all the information. So a ton of different products if you're into the health and fitness type niche. Skincare, you can see there's breastfeeding, like a ton of different things. This is something like even my wife can do, because my wife is she has a channel on breastfeeding, stuff like that. So many different offers. You just got to know where to look for this, right? So Boost Breastfeeding Affiliate Program, right? This is really cool. It's something I can show my wife, because she shows people how to do breastfeeding on her YouTube channel. So I'm like, hey, you can use this to promote, right? If you don't have your own product, okay? So really cool network. The next one, guys, is called MaxBounty, okay? Now, MaxBounty is different, okay? They pay you per lead, okay? So instead of paying you per sale, they pay you just for acquiring an email address, okay? So the thing with this, this is called CPA marketing. It's a little different than regular affiliate marketing. It's a version It's a version of affiliate marketing. The thing is, you're only getting a lead, okay? So you're only getting paid per email that you get for that business, okay? Now, it's a little more advanced. It's a little harder to become an affiliate for MaxBounty. You do have to go through an interview process and stuff like that, because they don't want people just writing random emails and like gaming the system, right? So but it's a really cool network. If you know how to do CPA marketing, you can make a ton of money. I've actually made some pretty good money doing CPA marketing myself. So you can see here all the different networks here, all the different products. You can see 3 free credit scores. All you got to do is get an email, and they pay you $30 per email. So it's insane. Some of these networks pay a lot of money just for getting an email, not even a sale, okay? But yeah, very cool network. A ton of different products. They even give you like your own affiliate manager here. I can call her anytime I want if I need help. The thing is that what's cool is the affiliate managers get a commission off you, so they want to help you out, okay? So you can Skype them, you can email them, you can phone them anytime you want, right? But to get into the network is a little harder because you have to have like that. You have to have an interview process, or you can get a direct link to that, okay? I actually have a direct link, so if you are interested in MaxBounty, send me a message on Instagram. Just let me know you're interested in MaxBounty, and I can give you my direct link. I don't give this out to everybody because, like I said, this is it's just like an invite type offer, okay? Really cool network though, MaxBounty. All right, next one, guys, is Amazon Associates, okay? I will tell you, Amazon just slashed their affiliate program commissions. It used to be like 10% and above. It's a lot less now, which is kind of unfortunate because a lot of people got a little bit screwed over with Amazon Associates. You can still get a ton of sales. This is not my favorite program, to be honest. The only reason I'm talking about it now is because obviously you can promote like 95% of the products in Amazon, and people go to Amazon. It's the most trusted network, so it's probably the easiest place to get started. Like I said, the commissions are just not there. I just don't recommend it, if you're trying to make like a lot of money, okay? So, this is something that you can supplement. Like, for example, if I was promoting like, my programs on Clickbank or something, then under that, I could be like, hey, this is the camera I used. This is the mic I used. That's just something to supplement your income, okay? This is not something I would do like 100%. This is my main focus, okay? So anyways, AmazonAssociates.com, and you can see really easy to sign up. You could, pretty much, anyone can pretty much do this. So really cool network here. Okay. The next one, guys, is Bluehost, okay? I'm going to talk about Bluehost because this is a really cool network, okay? So Bluehost, they pay you for hosting, okay? If you can get someone to start a website and use them as hosting, they pay you up to $65, okay? So actually, it's $65 if you get someone to pretty much purchase a website. What Bluehost does is they're hosting, right? So if you need a website, you need to go through something like Bluehost. This is my favorite program to promote when it comes to hosting. There's a ton of other ones, but this is the best one. They pay you the most. They start out at $65 when you're just starting out, but as you get more sales, they bump that up. So now I'm getting over $110 per sale, right? Because I've been selling so many of these, okay? Now Now, the way you sell these is you teach people how to create a website, and then from there, it's like, okay, now use Bluehost for your hosting, and then from there, you give them an affiliate link, okay? Really, really cool way to do it because you're teaching people how to do something, and then you just give them the tools they need. In this case, you would use Bluehost, okay? Now, one thing I do want to show you guys is this number tells you how many websites are being created every single second. You can see here, every second there's like 3 or 4 that pop out. So people are creating websites like insanely crazy, okay? So you need to be able to like get this Bluehost in front of like a ton of people. There's websites being created every single second, okay? And there's a ton of hosting platforms out there, okay? So I want you to use Bluehost to get people to use so you can get a commission, okay? Really, really cool network here, okay, if you're into the software. Now, the next one, guys, and the last one is called Commission Junction, okay? So this is actually, I actually don't use Commission Junction, but I was talking to my sister. She, what she does is she teaches, she recommends books, right? So like from Barnes & Noble. So I'm like, hey, we'll go to Commission Junction, sign up for Barnes & Noble under Commission Junction, and then you can start promoting your books, okay? She does a lot of like fantasy books and stuff like that, okay? So that's why I want to talk about Commission Junction because they have a ton of big brands like Priceline, Barnes & Noble, GoPro, Office Depot, Lowe's. They deal with some huge brands, okay? And for my sister, she has a YouTube channel, a TikTok based on promoting certain books from Barnes & Noble. So I'm like, hey, you can monetize by going to Commission Junction, sign up for the Barnes & Noble affiliate program, and you can start promoting your books, okay? So like I said, there's a ton of different products here, a ton of different networks, like more like the brick and mortar, similar to ShareASale, but Commission Junction is, I would say, even a bigger network than ShareASale. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you. These are some of the best beginner networks if you're looking to start affiliate marketing. And for me, these are the best place to get started, like as a beginner, right? Now, for me, like I said, I do more private networks now because I'm more advanced affiliate. But when you're just starting, these networks are super easy because you can just sign up and start promoting. So, anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Shoot me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions on this. And if you have any specific questions, reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram. I do have a Facebook group called Passive Income Lifestyles. And if you want the #1 way to get started with affiliate marketing, I do have a link in the description down below. It's going to walk you through a challenge to get you started with your affiliate marketing business, okay? A 15-day challenge to help you get started. So if you guys have any questions, reach out to me, but click the link down below if you want to get started. We'll see you guys soon. God bless. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys, and we'll talk soon.